Number 1. Mix with water, powder, and glitters. Step 2. Shake.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hi guys! I am Daisy and this is Mia. And we're gonna unbox the slime shaker kit. There's three instructions. Number 1. Mix with water, powder. 3 instructions. Number 1. Mix with water, powder, and glitters. Step 2. Shake it for 30 seconds. Number 3. Create your own style. Create your own style. Add a surprise. Just add water. No glue. No glue. No glue. No mess. I'm gonna open now. So let's see. I am gonna open it on this way. As you want to see, I'm gonna count. How many pieces are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's pink, blue, purple, yellow, teal, and light pink. There's pink, green, purple, yellow, green, pink. There's six pieces. I'm gonna unbox it now. Right here. I'm gonna help you, Daisy. So I'm gonna do yellow. So we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors. Whoever wins gets to choose.
Choose first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! John gets use yellow. Next, I will pick next. I'm gonna choose yellow. Let's open it, and then we have water here. What did I got? This is a dragon fish. That's a cat. Let's see what's more. Glitters, powders, and toys. I got yellow powder, and I got silver glitters, and then I got a toy.
What's that, unicorn?
No.
What's that?
A fish dragon. This is a dragon fish. And I'm gonna put this powder. I'm gonna put this purple powder. Wait for 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna put some silver glitters. Silver glitters. Okay, it's time to put water on the first line. 30 seconds. And yellow. Purple and yellow. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. The next. This. I'm gonna choose green, guys. And I am gonna choose pink. I got a mermaid! I got a mermaid, guys. Look at my toy, guys. And I got pink. I got star glitters. I got star glitters. Blue-green powder. Star glitters. I got pink powder. And I got some rainbow glitters. I got a cute little star toy. Let's dump this in. Put some glitters. I'm gonna put some mermaid toy. And we're gonna put some water. And shake it. I'm gonna put pink powder. And my cute little star. So first I am gonna put some pink powder. And then now I'm gonna put my rainbow glitters. I'm gonna put my star in water. And my cute little star. Shake for 30 seconds. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, Daisy.
Do it still.
Daisy.
This is the last one. What did you have? This is so cute. I got green powder. I cut this. And a unicorn puppy. I am gonna put my blue powder. I got my glitter heart. I'm gonna put my unicorn puppy in here. And then now I'm gonna put some water. over 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're gonna open our slime. So first, I'm gonna try this. Wow, it's so pretty. Start the wow, look at this. Oh, that was my unicorn pet. Whoa, it's so cool. Now let's try to do something. Huh? Where's my pet? That's so cool. Let me give me a Coke. Wow. Wait, I want to get stretched too. Ah! That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.